Hello everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models Avianca A320 in just a standard livery. This is number 281 Alpha Victor. Another one to add to the my little Avianca collection. Really just need them to release the new A320 or the Neos in the new livery right now. That's what I'm just waiting for. But excited to have this little one. So let's go ahead and here's the box. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the model. This is a December 2023 release, so an older one, and I actually got this with points. I did take the card out of it already, so it did come with a card, a little points card, but I already took that out as I needed some points. But this was one I redeemed with points actually, and got it for free, so really awesome that ING does that, and happy to have this one now in the collection. I did not really have to pay for it. Go ahead and take a look at what we've got. Here we have the model. Ooh, this looks really nice. Love the Avianca, the red and white of the Avianca livery. Very nice. Right, let's adjust the camera here. Let's get it. Alright, there we go. So, bear with me guys, my nose is acting up. Sorry about that. Alright, so here we go. Here we have the model looking very, very nice. We are going to go ahead and zoom in here. So as you can see, we've got A320 around the cockpit windows. Again, this is a fantastic mold, so everything looks really good mold-wise. We got some great details around here. We got the Colombian flag, I believe that says Colombia underneath it. Starline's logo right there. We've got the little beacon on, or the antenna on top right there. L1 door, looking very nice. The gear looking fantastic as well. Excuse me, guys. We've got the Avianca logo, and then we've got the Avianca titles looking very, very nice. We've got the engines. The CFM on this, I believe. Yep. These are the CFMs looking very nice as well. And then we've got the wings, we've got the overwing exit markings as well, looking really, really nice. We got the wings with some good detail here. So we got Avianca on this side. We've got the registration on this side, 281 Alpha Victor. So looking very, very nice there. Got the little wing defenses that actually have the little red and white. So that's actually a nice touch right there, as you can see. Moving along, again, the overwing exits and the markings looking very, very nice there. And then we've got the beacons on top there, or sorry, not the beacons, the antennas on top right there. So it's a little bit of dirt right there. And we got another sort of emergency exit at that point, and then we have the L2 door right there. And then the registration, there's no flag at the back here because it is up at the front right there. So yeah, got the Avianca tail looking very nice right there. Same with the horizontal stabilizer and the APU part. Very, very nice looking. Zooming in back here, this does have a bulkman door as well as the main door there. And then we have the forward door right there. Alright, let's take a look at the top-down view, or the head-on view should I say, and then top-down. So here's the top-down view looking very nice. Here's the bottom, same thing. We've got the, if it'll focus, we've got Avianca and the registration, and then the gear and some good details on the bottom here. So overall looking very, very nice. So I do like the look at this. Very happy to have this in the collection. So if you guys did enjoy this video, smash that subscribe or that like button. Subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.